Okay, nice. TP3 is about to hit in 2 pips. Let me eat my food. It's not really food. I'm eating some dessert right now. We had a good day. Waited the entire day. I was having a haircut and I saw my limits tap. Alright, TP3 has been hit. Alright, 100 pips. I'm not looking to sell soon because we do have news later on, but I'm done with all our positions. Yep, nothing much to do. Okay, Harry's account done as well. Hi. Do you guys manage to call the buy just now? I caught both buys as well for both of my accounts because I was pretty confident with the buys. I'm not gonna enter yet because 8:30 we do have news. Right, remember if you watch my London live stream, right, I told you guys, right, we will have a break, a retest, right? So we had the break here, go up, we had a retest towards this level, and then we had a nice buy. Right? So do you guys manage to do you guys remember on the London live stream? If you guys forgot about it, go back to our YouTube channel, watch our London live stream one more time. I said that we're gonna have a break, a retracement towards this level. I don't know if you guys caught the sells. We missed by 5 pips, but I told you guys that this level could be a good zone for sells. I will catch the buy upon retracement, which we did upon retracement. Like I said before, when prices want to collect liquidity to drive up to a higher level, liquidity zones will always be retested to catch more liquidity. That's why I waited the whole day. We missed the sell by only 5 pips, but then we caught the buys. Look at the buys, flying like mad right now. Right, like I said, you can fake everything. You can fake demo account, you can fake everything, but I can't fake knowledge, right? So just relax for now. We caught one good trade. That's all we need for the day. Am I finished for today? I will see after news. Maybe if there's a good trade, I will take after news. But right now it will be very volatile. Don't forget, prices has been consolidating for the past 3 days. So today should be a day of breakout, either to the upside or the downside. So let's see. Is gold ever gonna go down? Honestly, I think that it will go down, but I think that it will grab liquidity above this area before going down. I still believe that gold will go back down to about 2284 levels, but looking at all of this, I feel that it's trying to grab liquidity at a higher level before dumping. So we shall see how it plays out. Yeah, if it holds above H1 resistance, then it's probably gonna go bullish. But this is a good scalp zone for sales now, honestly, but I'm not gonna risk it. Because I don't trade right before news. What am I eating? I'm eating I don't even know what this called. It's like fruits in, I don't know, snow ice with fruits. Some dessert. Not bad. I see a lot of people hitting TP today all the way to TP3. I don't know what is this called. It's like there's like honeydew, different fruits I mean, with like ice and like I don't know, syrup. It's not ice kacang. It's quite special. Something like ice kacang, but I feel that it's better. Daily candle can do fake out. Can. Any candle can do fake out. Can share any of my experience with funded account. Okay, honestly, last time funded account was doing pretty well. Until last time I had, okay, honestly, funded account, right, started my whole trading journey. Cause last time I had no capital, but I was lucky. I passed a few 50k account. At my peak, I had about 350k of funded account with my Forex funds, and then they closed down. My withdrawal, all my withdrawals, I think that time was about 30k payout, 40k payout, got denied. I lost all my funded accounts. Then I went to try other funded accounts, and then suddenly all the funded accounts start shutting down. They start to deny payout, and then all the different rules starts coming out, what 33% rules and things like that. So ever since, I didn't want to do any more funded accounts. There's a lot of scams, you know. Prop firms are literally running on people failing challenges. That's how they profit. I think my Forex funds last year, there was a big hoo-ha, right? And they are very... And the thing about funded trade fund prop firms is that they operate on white label. So what do you mean by white label, right? Is they have their own server. So the chart is basically their own chart. They can manipulate the chart to go to any price. Take out your stop loss also can. Yeah, there's a lot of, they won't pay you out if it's a big amount. Yeah, I think ever since October I stopped using funded already. I tell you, might as well just trade live. The money you put in funded, you can trade live, you know. No point. Yeah, I'm still using HFM. Honestly, I feel HFM is one of the best broker out there. Not biased, really. I've worked with other brokers, but I feel HFM is actually one of the best. In terms of spread, in terms of customer relations and things like that. 1k, is it a good start? For a live account, yeah. Do you pass challenges? Of course I did. Of course. I think I passed like 13, 14 accounts, and I passed like probably like 9 of them after payouts. Cause in funded, right, the account's probably not gonna last long anyways. Nah, I just go high margin because on funded I know that they're not gonna pay me out anyway, so I just go all in. They only pay you out is like maybe 1k, 2k they will pay you out. Anything above like 4k, 5k they will pay you out. And they can dump you with any rules and you can't even like fight. You can just say you are doing arbitrage trading. Like you have an account somewhere else that take the opposite positions as them. I don't trade news. Okay, I finished my dessert. Now we can analyze the market properly. Okay, let's go. Farah say fly to 2330. Farah, are you still in the buy? What dessert? I don't know what's the name. I just buy it because I'm addicted to it. Recommended lot size with 300, 0.03. Wow, you're still in the buy, okay. Remember to secure partials though. I eat finish already. I cannot send you guys. Maybe next time. Tomorrow you go buy. I don't know. I don't know what it's called. But no, good food fuels my drive. How often I gym? I think about 5 days a week. Today I went to gym, then I went to driving test, and then I went to get a haircut. Waited the trade for the whole day. Had an alert limit got hit when I was doing my haircut. It was pretty funny though. No, I'm not. I don't trade news. Whoever who trade news are gambling. Not driving test lah. Simple. Lesson. Say wrongly. I just started. I don't have time. Honestly, I wouldn't buy a car in Singapore, right? Even if you have $1 million, I also don't think I will buy a car because there's no point. It's not worth it. To rent for fun. Like honestly, I'm not gonna drive it. I'm probably only going out on weekends, so there's no point buying a car. You notice the M15 fair value gap at 2326.5. Usually I don't take in fair value gaps. They're so miniature, right? Usually I take in larger one because this is not really like an big impulse move. Like honestly, right, if you drive a car, you still need to go find parking, you still need to walk from car park. It's the same as taking public transport, honestly. Or taking Grab is better, right? You don't even have to park. Yeah, theory test. Maybe if like I move to Malaysia in the future or like Thailand or Dubai, I don't know, but then I'll get a car. Price really retested the low ties before pumping on the way like you said. Yeah, I told you guys, right, price will come back to collect more liquidity before moving up. I think auto lah. I'm a noob. But I might switch to manual, I don't know. But I've quite a lot of time on my hand right now, so got trade news. I don't trade news, man. You guys know me, I don't trade news. Up 330 for the day. Not bad. How many of you guys caught the buys today? I mean, I put the limit there before price even tapped. So you guys probably, most of you guys probably caught it. I sent it over on the main channel as well. Any short opportunities? Honestly, this is where I'll be looking for scalps, but I don't like to take trades right before news. So yeah. I mean, this is my M15 OB. If you watch London Live, this was actually my PY for sales also, but it's too bad. Call tip about driving, please be safe, you know, when you're driving. What car are you driving, Justin? But stop the car first. Yeah, please be careful. Wow, Mercedes, not bad. Why does everyone asking me if I trade news? You guys like to trade news? Honestly, let me tell you guys, in the long run, trading news will never do you good. Then I will give you guys an honest answer. You only trade news. Wow, okay. Interesting. Then I think maybe go casino, play roulette. better. I mean, you can do it for fun, you know, create a small account, do it for fun. Yeah. Ooh, this was indeed a good zone for sales just now. It started this journey with trading straddle bets on news, going well until one whiplash, a lot of slippage wipeout. Yeah, exactly right. You can win 10 news in a row, but you only need one to lose everything. What do I work out in the gym? Typical, I do a push pull split. But nowadays I don't like to stay in the gym for too long, so I just try to do like chest day, back day, arms day. I don't like to stay above 1 hour. Saturday leg days, which I absolutely hate. How much can I bench? I don't really do bench press. I'm more of aesthetic. I do more for aesthetic, so I do more of cables. I used to run. I don't run anymore, cause I'm trying to bulk. Gotta keep the fats in my body so I can be more energetic doing live for you guys. Oh yeah, I do dips. Why are you guys asking me about all of this exercising? Right. Yeah, I'm trying to keep a balance between my health as well as trading, earning money. You know, last time when I was trying to earn money, trying to make money, trying to learn trading, I deviate a lot from my path. I started to neglect my health, be it both physical and mental health, which isn't good. So right now I'm just trying to get back both my mental health and physical health is very good right now. So trades are getting better, decision making is better as well, more patience as well. So I feel that by focusing on both your mental and physical health is very crucial for your trading psychology as well. You want to know my daily life? Maybe next time I should do a podcast or a vlog with Leon. Then we can take a look at our daily life. My daily life is very boring. It's very repetitive. It's always the same. So Monday to Friday, I will go to the gym. I will eat lunch and I come back and do live all the way till night. Trade till night. Watch show, trade. Rinse and repeat. Saturday, Sunday, I'll head out. Sunday, I'll make educational content for you guys. A podcast, maybe we only have like five people watching our podcast. Is my social circle big? No. I only have like 4 close friends. At a Muay Thai gym. Do you do giveaway? In our Prestige channel, we do so many giveaways every month. We have competition, 2000 USD cash giveaways. Oh, okay. Like I say, I use this as a pivotal point. But even though it mitigated once doesn't mean that it cannot serve as a point of rejection as well. It's just that it's not so strong as before. GU setup. I don't have any setup for GU, I think. Yeah. For now, no, but I might look for sales upon retracement towards this flip zone here. But not now. GJ as well. GJ, I'm still waiting for price to tap into this level. Almost stepped into the level, but did not. So I'm just waiting for price to tap into 195.6 before looking for a swing sell. Trying for a 300, 250, 300 pip swing sell from this H4 continuation OB overlapping with our fair value gap level here. So for currencies, I only do swing trades. So, and I don't give signals for currency. So you guys can just look at the analysis and take it if you guys are confident with it. 10 minutes more. Yeah, I think it will pump, take out liquidity, then down. So we shall see. The overlapping stuff. What do you mean 2021? I'm talking about GJ just now. I do think that if you guys read my analysis for today, right, I do think that this inducement level could be swept. Then, if news pump to H1OB will be a perfect level for sells, right? Then if this hit a good sell trade from there, then I'll be done for the night, hopefully. So what I'm looking for is probably good pump, take out inducement level, then possible sells after that. Yeah, so I want to see my liquidity get taken out before I enter reversal trade. Very, very important as well, right? Because market seeks liquidity before it moves in an opposite direction. So if it wants to go down, you have to clear liquidity on top. So you can see that this level of H1 resistance here, liquidity has been taken out. The next level of liquidity will be around this level of inducement and H1OB. So if it wants to go down, it has to take out liquidity about here, around there. Any opinion on US30? I don't trade indices. I feel that indices are very, very volatile. More volatile than all of this. Indices is more of those people who trade very, very big lots and then, you know, 20, 10, 30 pips. I mean, in their sense, it's 100 pips, but it's equivalent to 10 pips in gold. TP, you know, those kind. Because it's really very volatile. I feel that if you want to trade indices, you should trade more of breakout. Indices is good for trading breakouts. Gold is good for both breakouts and reversals. So if you really want to trade indices, I recommend breakout is better because usually when it sweeps a certain point, right, it's really one way. I trade indices before and I don't like it because I'm more of a counter trend trader. Yeah, so I prefer gold and currencies. I trade oil before I trade everything. Try and error, and I feel that gold is still my favorite after 5 years. So I decide to just go with gold. I mean, do what you think is good, right? So I see that a lot of people started selling already, but I feel that you always have to be patient, right? Just be patient. Like today, the whole entire day, I just waited for that one trade and it hit TP3. Same as yesterday, that one sell trade we hit TP3. This week, I think almost 80% or 60% of our 70% or 80% of our trade hit TP3 for this week. I think this week when it's ranging, right, it's all about patience, you know. It's all about being patient when markets are ranging, because it's really screws with your psychology waiting so long, almost hitting entries but then missing by a few pips. Right, same, right? Earlier ourselves, we miss out by about 10 pips. If not, we can catch the entire pip down. We missed the buys by a few pips. We missed this sell by 5 pips, but we managed to catch this buy up. Right, you see, you will never be able to catch every single move in the market. You just need to catch one good move, and that is more than enough. Like today, I think on my low risk account, I'm up about 1k. On my high risk account, I'm up about 1.8, I think, if I'm not wrong. I'm up about 1.8. Yep, for today. So total about 2.8 just from one good trade, right? But I'll be monitoring our inducement level at 2323. If I'm looking for sell, I want this level to be swept first. How do you have two accounts? What do you mean? Just create 2 accounts, 2 different accounts, I guess. Any of you guys here are still holding on to the buys? For me, I close all. I don't like to risk trading news, but if you guys caught the buys, you guys will be up quite massively right now. You send a message on us on Telegram. Okay, I'll get admin to reply you later after the live. You can have multiple accounts with one broker. You don't have to trade with multiple brokers. For me, I just trade with one broker will do. Holding on to one small buy. Alright, let's see if we manage to take out the inducement level. Because I see a lot of people. I mean, retailers, right? They probably all gonna sell here because look at H1 resistance, reject so many times and things like that. But I would say don't risk it because there's a high chance that it might just blast through. Sweep liquidity at the highest point, take out all the stop losses around this level before dumping. Right, so a lot of people start selling at M15 OB. You can see, right, sellers start to sell, right? So candlesticks are not just candlestick. Candlestick shows you the psychology of the market. You can see that this was a fake out candle to fake out that sellers are in the market. The next candle obliterated through the entire zone. Right, just take a look at this, obliterated all the way up. Right, so this is what we call a nice fake out. So probably the sellers here, stop losses will probably get taken out, likely to be hunted above previous highs as well. So that's how you guys analyze the market when the market is playing out. Very, very important. Because when you're plotting zones, right, you're plotting previous data, right? But when you are analyzing the market, you are looking at current data and live data. So these are two things. When you plot zones, it's always previous data that has been played out. But when you analyze market as new candles print, that is a different set of skills that we want to cultivate as well. You ever traded strategies using moving averages? No, I don't use indicators. I trade purely based off my own zones, my price action, SMCICT. I don't use indicators because I feel that it's all the same thing, right? Like, I mean, one look, I already know what the moving averages is. I'm not gonna take a buy or sell like from the trend lines and things like that. I mean, that's just for me. One more minute till news. Okay, let's see what news have for us. Do I trade funded? No, not anymore. Any advice on stop loss distance? Keep getting stop out when... I would say, I mean, for me, I always do 50 pips. I mean, people can argue that it's a huge stop loss, but I mean, it works for me. As long as just find a comfortable zone that works for you. You see. I mean, you can try out if you want. I'm not gonna give any comments, but for me, I don't trade funded. I used to trade, had some bad experience with it, so I stopped trading. I prefer live account. There's more leeway for me as well. Ooh, look at the pump. Alright, unemployment claims is higher than forecasted. Okay, so we should see a nice pump, likely taking out the inducement level. Right, so all those that sold here reap their stop losses. Now what I want to see is I want to see prices take out inducement before I look for sells. Okay. Alright, DXY is dumping, gold is flying high. Okay, how many of you guys held the buy still? Told you guys, right? Don't hurry to sell. You might be in a nice sell zone, but this is why you don't risk everything on news. See, inducement liquidity has been taken out, right? has been taken out. This level has been taken out as well. Right, caught it on live. If the market wants to go down, it has to seek liquidity above first. Alright. So right now, I mean, news is negative. DXY is dumping. We should see gold pumping a little bit higher. Right now, probably I will look for counter trend sells after this inducement level is swept. Okay. I mean, I probably will look for sells around after 2323 has been swept. Because it will be quite risky, right? I mean, news is out. News is good for gold, so I wouldn't want to sell at this level because too many liquidity has been taken out from here already. I think that gold is gonna go higher to take out liquidity as well. So we shall see. And I also don't think I'll be doing live for too long because I want to focus on giving one good trade sent to the Telegram group, and then we're done for the day. We shall see, okay? You guys can watch back the video later. We see if inducement level will be taken out. You thought you caught 90% of the moves. Very happy. Actually, you caught only 60%. Better than nothing, right? Better than nothing. Okay. How many TP3s you have this week? I think 3 or 4. Maybe 4 or 5. I'm not sure. Yesterday 2, today 1, so 3 already. So probably about 4 or 5 TP3 this week. Not bad. Honestly, really not bad. It's a good week. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Alright, now prices flew all the way up. Tap into 2323. And we shall start to look for potential sell. I told you guys, right? Inducement level will be swept. Just like that. Alright, okay. This level is where I'll be monitoring for potential sells now. Alright. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I think I'll be looking to enter at 232. Let's see how this candle rejects first. Still quite volatile, right? Okay, we can try one. We can try one. All right. Right, 2323.5. We will start. Okay, this is a risky trade. Okay, risky trade. So, those of you guys on Prestige, please be careful. All right, risky trade. Right, it seems like we had almost a zero float. Right, literally tapped our entry around this level. Okay, we shall see if we can get a zero float trade right there. Right. Okay, how many of you guys managed to catch the sales? Those of you guys from Prestige. Hopefully this is a good trade and then we can call it a day. Alright. Okay, but don't over risk because this one very, very risky. Maybe you can grab higher liquidity above here. Who knows? So we shall always be patient, alright? Wait for the best opportunity to hit. Yep, I'm still looking at the same zone. As long as price doesn't give us at least 20 pips running out of the zone, right, I will still hold the same zone. That is my style. That's my style. But please make sure this is a risky trade, so please make sure, you know, proper risk management is in place. Because news is bullish for gold, right? If you want the SL and entry, you should be in Prestige. I'm just kidding, but I don't want people to follow signals blindly, you see. So please do your own analysis as well. I'm looking for a sweep of inducement level, push to a lower zone to look for buys up. All prices could really hit our H1 OB before dumping as well, so we shall see. I'm looking at this H1 OB because if this H1 OB still holds, right, means liquidity has been grabbed. We could go lower from here, but if this H1 OB fails, then it's one straight way up ready. So it's really seeing how price reacts to this H1 OB. Right, let's see. Tap the H1 OB and rejected. So let's see if it managed to close below this previous high. Looking at M15 right now, but I think M5 is just one way bullish move currently. If we look at DXY still dumping, but we shall see from here. Yeah, I'll be looking to hold unless we have a M5 closure above this H1 OB. Because this could be the sweep that we are waiting for, right? Yeah, 2329 is the SL, but it didn't hit. But I will play safe. I'll wait for M5 to close above before cutting loss because it could be a liquidity sweep. So I'll only cut if we have a M5 closure above it. Because this is honestly my high probability buy zone. I mean sell zone. So if price breaks above this, we could see a one-way push all the way to H4 resistance because today is the breakout day, right? So let's see. Let's see how DXY is doing as well. I'm not moving. I'm just seeing that we have an M5 closure above, then we close. So sometimes it could sweep week up, maybe week to 2330 before dumping, right? Okay, right now DXY is on full mode dumping right now. Let's see if DXY right now is, I don't really trade trend lines, but DXY is in the middle of nowhere because for DXY I only look at H4 and above because H4 and above right now it's still in the middle of our daily OB and flip zone. Okay, let's see go. If we have an M5 closure above 2329, we will cut. If not, we'll continue to hold in case there's a liquidity sweep. Right. So basically, what I mean by M5 closure, right, is only when the candle close above 2329 is SL, right? So sometimes it could wick, right? Liquidity zone, maybe it wick to maybe 2330 and then dump 50 pips. It could happen as well. Still holding one by 200 pips. Damn, nice. So let's see how this M5 closes. Our preset if market is lower volume, but when there's higher volatility, I usually don't preset. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can re-enter from this zone because this is still the high probability zone, right? I believe in this H1 OB, so I'm still holding on to my previous sell. I added more as well, so we shall see from this level. Okay, I sent to the main channel as well. Right, so this M5 still doesn't close above 2329, so I'm still holding this trade. I mean, if we want a bearish change of character on the M5, we have to look at this level here. So that will give us extra confirmation if it closes below here, but if it just bull all the way up, then it's probably gonna be a one-way continuation. But I do believe that we will have at least a retracement below. So if it closes below this level here, then there's a high chance that this is a valid LQ sweep. Okay, 13 more minutes till NY opens. DXY is having some rejection. Right, seems like we are having a dump right now. Pretty good sweep. Okay, nice. Right, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, we should be running more than 25 pips from our tops right now. Yeah, I was pretty confident, right? Okay, nice. Perfect. Yeah, same. I'm still holding. Don't worry. But I believe, right? Because I know that this is a zone where a lot of liquidity are, so there will be a lot of wicks and things like that. So I will still be holding, like I said. Hopefully it comes back to B layer. Then we close a few to minimize risk. But if let's say prices really close above previous high here, like let's say M5 close below previous high here, I will look to cut. So that's how I manage my risk on live, right? Because not every single day is just wins and wins and wins, right? So right now we should be coming back into range soon. So let's see. Let's take a look at DXY. We need more bullish momentum in DXY. Okay, New York is opening soon in about 7 minutes. Do I need to trade go? Mainly go now. Let's see if we can have a bearish change of character here. Okay, back into range. Okay, we should be running 30 pips from our second round of sell. Adding on with the first one. M5 candle can say it's shooting star. Right now, does looks like some form of rejection. Right, so when there's a lot of multiple M5 fair value gaps, right, you can see that there's two big M5 fair value gaps here. You can see there's one, there's two, right? So usually I'll look at the 50% level, which is a very, very significant level here. So if it breaks below 50%, usually like that, it's a valid liquidity sweep, right? So what is more important now is we want to see candle closing below this inducement level here at 2325.5. Alright? So we want to see candle closing below 2325.5, giving us extra confirmation. is it highly likely it will retest the top? Actually, anything could happen, right? This is trading. That's why there's no 100% guarantee where price will go, where price will move, and things like that. Like on my high risk account, I entered at 2329. On my lower risk account, I'm still holding on to the first sell zone. So this is a risk that we are willing to take. So right now, just let it play out, see how it takes us, and let's see if we can get a candle closure below this. Very, very important, because right now it's still kind of ranging, waiting for NY to open. Hopefully NY volume comes in, we have a nice dump. But if let's say prices comes back and close above previous candle high, which is about 2329 here, then I will cut loss. That's how usually I manage my risk when trading in volatile zones where there will be a lot of manipulation and wicks. I had 2 rounds of sell. One is from the top here, one is from this level here. Okay, 1 more minute till New York volumes come in. So let's see. The first one was a risky one at this lower level, at this inducement level here. The second one I caught it from the top here at 2329. Because this is my H1OB zone, which is my higher probability sell zone at this level here. Alright, nice. Okay, let's see. Let's see if my analysis is... Right, let's see if my analysis is right. Alright, perfect dump. Let's see. I told you guys, right? Okay, perfect. Dump all the way back to our first zone here. Okay, prices is stepping into the M5 fair value gap right now. So this is quite a crucial zone to see if we can have a continuation up or a further breakdown. So this is why I will be closing most of my positions here to reduce the risk, right? Right. Okay. I'll be